it is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Hey guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are talking about, bam, the Booked Deluxe Planner for 2024. So I typically, over the past, I think 3 years, I've been doing bloom planners. I love the bloom planners, but I want to try something a little different. So this year, I will leave a code to, if you guys have not ever gone to her channel, which I'm sure you probably already see, watch Farron over on Hey Naughty Girl, okay? Thanks Farron for the discount code, girl. I will leave her discount code in the description box so you can get some % off of your order should you like to order a booked planner or the Book Deluxe that I have. Now, girl. Okay, in case you're like me and you had not really heard about Booked before, Booked is a Black woman-owned business. Okay, it's 2 Black women that own this business. They, I will leave their names here on the screen. They have 3 different types of planners. The Booked Deluxe, which I have, is like the all-encompassing of everything, because go big or go home. And then they have the Booked and Blessed and Booked and Busy. This year, girl, the strike is over. I'm trying to get my side hustle on, so I'm trying to be booked, busy, blessed, all the positive things, grateful, everything. So that's why I picked this book. Again, this is the Deluxe edition, and it comes in this beautifully packaged hardcover pink box. It comes with the affirmation card. It has several affirmations on the back. You probably can't even see that. No worries, if you buy it, you'll be able to read it. But one of the affirmations that let's see here. This one is great. I'm healthy. I am the personification of energy and vitality. Yes, girl. Read this to yourself in the mirror every day. And it kind of tells you about the Booked Club. Here is a Booked page kind of holder. It's a kind of a metal page holder, and it says Booked on there. I don't think you guys can see that, but it has Booked engraved on there. It comes with a nice pen down here. I did open it already just to take a sneaky peek so I knew what I was talking about. I love it. I'm only going to do a flip through of 1 month just because all the months are going to be the same. But I'll show you all the artwork. I'll show you just the beautiful design. I love the 2024 down here. I love all the Black art. Yeah, so let's just do a flip through. All right, guys, so I'm just showing it to you here on the floor. So here is the front page. Here, some nice little stickers, all with Black women on it, which I absolutely love. I hope you guys are able to see that some of these. Let's see. There's Bible times, thank you God, ASAP, plan, all kinds of cute little mental health, all kinds of cute little stickers. Okay, let's get back. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see those pages. So here's a little note, a letter from the owners, and then here's a page where you put your name, sorry you're booked. Here are kind of some instructions on how to use the planner, like what you'll see in the planner here, and then how to use it, kind of step-by-step guides. How to use the planner. The 2024-2025 kind of year at a glance. 2024 holidays. And I love this too. It gives you books to read. So you can do, and it has your official checkoff list for book suggestions for 2024. I'm going to try to knock some of these out. And then you can do your 2024 professional goals, personal goals, a goal wheel for your yearly focus for family, fitness, financial, personal empowerment, relationship, social, professional, spiritual, and health. Love that. I love this Booked bingo. That's also really cool, where you can just put words in here, and when you do something or an activity, once you do it, you check it off. And guess what, girl? If you get this way, bingo. All right. And then you can do a vision board. I am huge on vision boards. I've done one for the probably past 4 or 5 years, and I think it really helps you to kind of visualize what you want for your year or what you want in the future. So that, like I said, we're just going to flip through January. Obviously all the months are the same except the artwork is going to be different. So I'll show you a couple of those as well. I just love the Black women art. So here every month we'll have a monthly view, and then you'll have like a note at the top of things you want to accomplish. You'll have your notes for the month that you can put in here. You have your goals for the month, financial budget for the month, and then you'll have your meal plans for the month, and then your grocery list for the month. And then every day has its own page, so it'll have kind of like the hourly. I wanted to give the hourly a try. I've never had a planner with that in there, so let me see if I can zoom in a little bit so you guys can see more. So here again is the hourly. Then you'll have call, email, follow-up, weekly checkpoints, your to-do list, and then I will slay the day by. And then of course, if you have your own stickers, you can kind of take some of this stuff out, or kind of do it how you want. But I really like how it's already set up for you. And again, every page in the month is going to be like this. And then at the end of the week, it'll have a gratitude and reflection area for you to write in, which I really love. And I like to put like prayers every week on mine, so I think I might do that for my planner. And then up here you'll see a kind of a quote. If I can zoom in, every so many days will have a quote at the top. It has its own page. Alright, so I'm just going to flip through the months now just so you guys can kind of get a general idea. Again, it'll be that monthly view. So here is February, the artwork for February. I love that. That's cute. And then March. It is a little difficult to turn the pages, but nothing that would really get on my nerves or deter me. But I love this artwork. And again, let me show you all of them. See, it's a little tough to get those pages, but that's so beautiful. I used to dance, so that just makes me so happy seeing that. And then I'm just going to skip through to a few more. I'm going to go through to December. Oh, this is tough, girl. They might want to work on that. And then this is December. I love that. That's so cute. And then again, the monthly view, and then you'll go to your weekly. Then you'll have your kind of beginning of the month goals to set, meal plans, grocery list, and again your days will start. And that's pretty much it, girl. I absolutely love this planner so far. Like I said, this is kind of difficult because it's so many pages, but when you have a daily planner, that seems to be very common, that it's going to be a thick book. So yeah, maybe they could kind of, that's the only thing I could think of, and maybe like kind of work on the spiral bound. But other than that, absolutely love it. Can't wait to use it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick flip through and kind of review of the website. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Again, I will leave the code to Farron's discount code. I believe it is affiliate link, so she will get some money for it or whatever. But you'll also get something out of it too. Alright, well I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! Oh girl, and if you haven't already, don't forget to thumbs up and like this video, okay? Bye!